March 14th is Learn About Butterflies Day. So let's celebrate with 15 stunning species you'll want to see up close. Time to meet nature's living artwork. Monarch Butterfly. They are famous for their incredible migration, covering up to 4,800 kilometers or around 3,000 miles, traveling between North America and central Mexico, making it one of the longest insect migrations in the world. Their striking orange and black wings aren't just for show, they act as a warning signal, alerting predators to their toxicity, a defense gained from their milkweed diet. Monarch caterpillars rely exclusively on milkweed for food, making the plant a crucial part of their life cycle and survival. Blue Morpho. When its wings are closed, the blue Morpho looks completely different, showing brown undersides with eye-like spots that help camouflage it from predators. Despite their delicate appearance, blue morphos are surprisingly territorial, with males often chasing off rivals to protect their turf. Adult blue morphos only live for about 115 days, spending most of that time seeking mates and feeding on fermenting fruit, tree sap, and even decomposing animals. The brilliant blue of the blue morpho's wings isn't caused by pigment, but by microscopic scales that reflect and scatter light, creating an iridescent effect. Under different lighting, the blue can appear to shift in intensity or even seem to disappear entirely. Common Birdwing Butterfly. Common birdwing caterpillars feed exclusively on Aristolochia, Dutchman's pipe vines, absorbing toxic compounds that make them, and the adult butterflies, poisonous to predators. This is why females carefully select specific host plants for egg-laying, ensuring their offspring get the right food to develop both size and chemical defenses. With a wingspan reaching 12-15 centimeters or 4.75.9 inches, it is one of the largest butterflies in its range, gliding gracefully through forests across South and Southeast Asia. Peacock Butterfly. Peacock butterflies hibernate through winter, often hiding in dark, sheltered spots like tree hollows, sheds, or attics. Its bright red wings contrast sharply with the blue and black eye spots, creating a startling flash when it opens its wings suddenly. Unlike most butterflies, they can produce a hissing or clicking sound by rubbing its wings together when disturbed. They are also one of the few species that hibernate as adults rather than migrating. They tuck themselves away in tree hollows, sheds, or attics and can survive freezing temperatures until spring. Glasswing Butterfly stands out for its transparent wings, which make it nearly invisible when perched among leaves and flowers, and honestly might be one of our favorites. This clever camouflage helps it avoid predators, blending into its surroundings better than any bright-colored butterfly ever could. Male glasswings seek out alkaloid-rich plants not just for protection, but also to produce pheromones that attract females. They are known to carry loads nearly equal to their own body weight, a rare ability among butterflies. Then we have the red admiral. In colder regions, some red admirals migrate south to escape harsh winters, while others hibernate as adults, ready to emerge on warmer days. Red admirals are known for their friendly behavior, often landing on people or resting on sunny walls to soak up warmth. While nectar is a main food source, red admirals have a sweet tooth for fermenting fruit, tree sap, and even dung, sometimes getting a little tipsy off the natural alcohol. Painted Lady is a champion traveller, capable of long-distance migrations spanning thousands of kilometres across continents. Their caterpillars often feed on thistles, giving them another common nickname, thistle butterfly. Unlike monarchs, which roost overnight, painted ladies fly continuously during migration, covering vast distances without stopping for long breaks. They reproduce quickly, with multiple generations emerging in a single year. This helps them quickly recolonize new areas, making them incredibly resilient. Common blue is one of Europe's most widespread and recognizable butterflies, often seen fluttering across meadows, grasslands, and gardens. This species has a fascinating relationship with ants. Caterpillars secrete a sweet substance that attracts ants, who protect the larvae in exchange for the sugary treat. Despite their small size, common blues play a crucial role in pollinating wildflowers. ensuring biodiversity in grassland ecosystems. Male common blues have vivid blue upper wings, while females are typically brown with hints of blue, making them more camouflaged. Zebra longwing. They feed on both nectar and pollen, giving them a longer lifespan than most other species, up to several months. They roost in groups at night, returning to the same spot each evening, a rare behavior among butterflies. They are also one of the few butterfly species known to exhibit simple learning behaviors, remembering which flowers provide the best nectar. Like many heliconius butterflies, they absorb toxins from their host plants, making them unpalatable to birds and other predators. Ulysses Butterfly. It's found in rainforests of northern Australia, Papua New Guinea and nearby islands, where its vivid colour helps it stand out and disappear, depending on the angle of light. They have become a tourism symbol in parts of Australia, especially in Queensland's tropical rainforests. Male Ulysses butterflies are highly sensitive to flashes of blue and will chase after anything that resembles their own colour, whether it's another male or even a piece of blue fabric. Malachite Butterfly stands out with its vivid lime green and brown wings, resembling the colour patterns of the precious malachite stone it's named after. With a wingspan of around 8 to 10 centimetres or 3 to 4 inches, they're large, bold and impossible to miss when they glide through the forest. They are diurnal, but tend to be more active in the early morning and late afternoon when the sun isn't too intense. Found across Central and South America, malachites prefer warm, humid environments, often seen fluttering around forest edges, riverbanks and suburban gardens. Rajah Brooke's Birdwing, named after Sir James Brooke, the first white Rajah of Sarawak. This species is Malaysia's national butterfly, a symbol of the country's rich biodiversity. Males are brighter and more striking than females, who have more subdued green markings with larger, heavier bodies. Males of Rajah Brooke's Birdwing often gather at mud puddles, engaging in puddling behaviour to absorb essential minerals from damp soil. Due to its rarity and striking appearance, this species is legally protected in Malaysia to prevent over-collection and habitat destruction. Emperor Butterfly. Despite its regal appearance, the purple emperor is surprisingly elusive, often spending its time high up in the tree canopy, only coming down to feed. In the UK, spotting a purple emperor is considered a special event, as they require careful searching in the right woodland areas. The purple emperor's males display an iridescent purple sheen, while females have a more subdued brown coloration. They are also fiercely territorial, often chasing away rivals and even birds that intrude on their space. Queen Alexandra's Birdwing holds the title of the largest butterfly in the world, with females reaching wingspans of up to 28 centimetres or 11 inches. This giant butterfly is found only in a small region of Papua New Guinea, where it inhabits lowland rainforests, making it both rare and highly endangered. It also has a highly specific habitat, relying solely on Aristolochia vines, making it difficult to adapt to new environments. Great orange tip. It's one of the fastest flyers among butterflies, using rapid, powerful wing beats to escape predators. The caterpillars feed on plants from the caper family, giving them access to chemicals that may make them unpalatable to predators. They are masters of mimicry, with an underside that resembles a dried leaf to avoid predators. It is also highly active and restless, rarely staying in one place for long.